Welcome from my tiny kitchen. If you love Nutella, you're going to love this easy no-bake Nutella mousse dessert cup recipe. With just a few ingredients, it's the perfect last-minute dessert table idea. This dessert recipe is really easy to make. Whip Nutella and double cream until soft peak consistency and scrape out into a piping bag. Then whip double cream with sugar and vanilla extract until stiff peak consistency. When ready, scrape out into a piping bag fitted with your favorite star nozzle. Crumb store-bought chocolate muffins for the base of the dessert. Keep aside a tablespoon of the chocolate crumbs for decorating later on. Heat up some Nutella in the microwave at 10-second intervals and mix until smooth. Pour over the Nutella mousse cups as a glaze for the dessert. To finish this easy dessert, pipe out rosettes of vanilla cream and sprinkle on the reserved chocolate crumbs. There you have it, a dessert that is easy to make, requires no baking and available to eat immediately. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out some of these other videos for more baking inspiration.